Hello everyone, and welcome to the Winter 2026 Major Challenge Theme Reveal video. This is the event where students from all across Canada come together to code a game as a team. You will work together, share ideas, learn new skills, and on top of that, you can earn up to 20 points out of the 50 that you need to qualify for the regionals. Participants will craft a game based on a specific theme, which I will be revealing in just a moment, and you will have 30 days to bring your ideas to life. This year's theme is wind. In this challenge, wind drives the rules of your world. Players create, redirect, and time airflow to move, solve, fight, and explore. It could be a puzzle game where you route airflow through vents, tunnels, sails, fans, rotating doors, the list goes on, all to reveal progress and clues. You could make an action game where the wind is your combat kit and movement kit. Maybe it's a physics platformer built around updrafts, crosswinds, and vortex zones. The character rides the air currents, glides with the sail cape, and uses a handheld device to control the thrust. You could build a sailing strategy game with a narrative adventure where winds carry the signals of voices and your ship, with clues that guide the player in directional waves to follow drifting leaves or using kites and wind chimes to trigger story events. You could even build a tower defense game where wind shapes the battlefield, place turbines down to recover energy, or push hazards back into lane, maybe knock threats into the air to push them further away. Your wind game could be calm, cozy, fast and intense, puzzle-focused, or even story-driven. The core requirement is that wind actions directionally change the outcome that the player cares about. Now, a quick note about the judging, just so you know what helps your game stand out. We do give each game a score out of 10, but the most important part of what we're looking for are 4 things all equally: technical excellence, artistry and creativity, game design, theme and fit, and last, playability and polish. That means only 1/4 of your score is about how well the game is coded, and the rest is the execution of your ideas and how well you use the theme, how fun the game feels, and as well as how finished and playable it is. A small, simple game with a clear wind mechanic, strong decisions, and a fun experience can do just as well or better than a big, complex project. Focus on making something imaginative, themed, and enjoyable to play even if the code stays simple. You also do not need to have completed any mini challenges to join this major challenge. If this theme is giving you even one cool idea, that is enough to start. You have 30 days to submit your game, and I am excited to play the top entries in front of all of you as well as my audience, and to see how many different ways you can bring this theme to life. Fire up your imagination, feel the gusts, and start building. Good luck, everyone.